What is a computer? A computer is an electronic device that takes input, data or instructions, processes the input using a set of instructions, program, produces output, useful information. This is known as an IPO cycle. Basic components of a computer. A computer consists of two main parts: hardware, the physical components you can touch; software, the programs and instructions that run on the hardware. Input devices. Input devices are used to give data and instructions to the computer. They convert information into binary form, zeros and ones, which the computer can understand. Binary is the language of computers, consisting of only zeros and ones. Examples of input devices: keyboard, mouse, microphone, scanner, webcam. Output devices. Output devices take the binary data processed by the computer and convert it into a human-readable form. Examples of output devices: monitor, printer, speakers, projector. Central Processing Unit. The Central Processing Unit, CPU, is responsible for processing all data and instructions. It is often called the brain of the computer. The CPU has three main components. ALU, Arithmetic Logic Unit, performs calculations and logical operations. CU, Control Unit, directs all operations in the system. Registers, small, high-speed storage locations used during processing. What is ALU? ALU stands for Arithmetic Logic Unit. In simple words, the ALU is a part of the CPU that performs mathematical and logical operations. For example, it does calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. What is CU? CU stands for Control Unit. It is the part of the CPU that acts like a manager or traffic controller. In simple words, the control unit tells all parts of the computer what to do and when to do it. What does the CU do? It gives instructions to other parts of the CPU. It controls the flow of data between input, output, memory, and the ALU. It makes sure everything works in the right order. Example: if the computer is solving a problem, the CU tells the ALU to do the math. Then it tells the memory where to store the result. Finally, it tells the output device to show the answer. Without the CU, the computer would be confused and everything would happen out of order. What are registers? Registers are tiny storage spaces inside the CPU. In simple words, registers are like memory, storage units that the CPU uses to store small pieces of data while working. Why are registers important? They are very fast. They hold data the CPU is using right now. They help the CPU work faster by not wasting time searching for data.